In last video, we learned about what exactly the vitamin C and what are the various benefits, especially for the skin. In this video, I'm gonna share some useful tips and guidelines you should know before using vitamin C serum for your skin. Though vitamin C is one of the topmost ingredient used nowadays in most of the skincare products, but type of vitamin C serum you select and how you used and store it is significantly affect how much you get out of it. One of the patient's common question is what is the best time to use the vitamin C serum? Most probably it is said that the vitamin C is usually used in evening time. But this is not the truth. Actually, the morning time is the best time we use the vitamin C serum. Got the best effect. In fact, you may get the more benefit when you use the serum in the morning time before going out. But no worry, after applying the vitamin C serum, you can apply the sunblock or good SPF sunscreen so that you may get a double benefit. The number second is, are you using serum in correct step? What are those steps? You should apply the serum after cleansing and before the moisturizer. So it is more beneficial. So you should follow the correct step of vitamin C in your skincare regimen. So one more question is, what is the right concentration of vitamin C serum? How will you find the correct concentration of vitamin C serum? So it totally depends upon your type of skin and concern. Gold standard of vitamin C is 15%, but you may start from lower concentration up to 5% to higher concentration, that is up to 20%. If your skin type is normal, then you should apply in between the concentration of 10 to 20%. It is okay. But if your skin is sensitive and dry, then you should go for the lower concentration. The next is pay attention to pH level, which helps in absorption of vitamin C serum. To be absorbed, the pH level needs to be very low. If the pH is too high, lower amounts of vitamin C can be absorbed. The ideal serum pH is in between 2 to 3. Are you storing your skincare products correctly, especially the products containing vitamin C? Here the question is why. C comes in mainly two forms. One is water based and the second is anhydrous. Water based is mostly unstable and light sensitive, whereas the second one is anhydrous, which is more stable and less sensitive to light. No matter what kind of option you select, but keep in mind that your product should be airtight and keep in a cool dry place. So move on to the more important tip, that is when vitamin C is combined with some magical ingredients which works very best and safe to your skin. The number one combination is vitamin E, which gives a moisturized and smooth texture to your skin. This combination is mainly for the dry and sensitive skin. Niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. It is also a most important nutrient which, when combined with vitamin C, this combination works well with these concerns, that is acne, rosacea, hyperpigmentation. One more magical combination is ferulic acid. So, what is ferulic acid? Ferulic acid is an antioxidant found in the cell walls of the plants such as rice, oats, and the seeds of apples and oranges. When we combine it with ferulic acid, it helps to stabilize vitamin C, so its antioxidant potency isn't vanishing. Ferulic acid is an antioxidant that works to boost the effect of other antioxidants. When used in skincare products, it helps to protect overall skin integrity by reducing the development of fine lines, spots, and wrinkles. Nowadays, more common recommendation is hyaluronic acid. So, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid can be used together in your skincare routine. In fact, combining both ingredients will give better anti-aging results. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and hyaluronic acid is a hydrator cum anti-aging ingredient. The more commonly asked question is what is the best form of vitamin C? So here the L-ascorbic acid is one of the best form recommended. Other forms are mineral ascorbates, that is calcium, sodium and magnesium ascorbate. The ascorbic acid and vitamin C metabolites. Vitamin C with bioflavonoids. And the last one is ascorbyl palmitate. So these are some guidelines and tips you should follow before buying vitamin C serum in your skincare regime. If you think this video is helpful, like and share. You can also ask queries and leave a comment below. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.